Finally started fighting back. I've seen Margaret and I've seen old gal bully him or her a little bit, and today Sam finally had enough and chased old gal for a little bit. Not far, just enough to let her know that she's much more spry than old gal and she would be wise to stop picking on her probably. Crushed apples? Hold on. Go ahead. Yeah. Crabby apple. Hey. Expecting them to attack each other if I don't have enough pieces out. They are geese after all. Go ahead, guys. See, the first instinct, if there's no food immediately available, they go for the first person or first goose that they know is eating and try and steal from them. Hold on, I gotta crush it first. Go ahead, Sam. Go ahead. Almost sounds like a laugh too. Different type than Gus's, but. Ooh. Hey, doll. Come here. Hold on. You're making different noises today, Sam. Go ahead. Margaret wants some. There she goes. Whoa, someone found one on their own. I think that's Gus. It's hard to tell when they got an apple in their mouth. It changes a good deal of their facial dimensions. But yeah, that's Gus. Alright guys, see you tomorrow if you're still here. Stay warm. Try to get over the pond before it gets dark. Stay to the lake.